Hello fellow hunters. Today I'm going to show you a quick video on the progress I've made on my in-ground tomb. You can hear it's 4th of July, so everybody's blowing off their fireworks. Okay, now that's the outside, which you guys already seen. But now I'm going to show you what I've done so far. Now it doesn't seem like I've gotten much done. It's been about 2 weeks, but the weather's been really shitty. It's constantly raining, so haven't been able to get much done. You can see it's most of a skeleton, just missing the front arms and the front rib cage on it. Now it's gonna jump up, and it's going to be about 8.5 feet to 9 feet tall. Here, I'll lift it up. Okay, there it is. And it's about 8.5 feet tall, almost 9 feet. Now all of the mechanism it's just a Skelerector setup, which it's, just an oversized Skelerector, as you could see. And I've changed a few things on it though. I'm going to have the head and the arms move on it. Now I had to think really hard on this one because I only wanted to use one cylinder, and I figured out a mechanism to use, so I'll show you how I did it. Now here's the mechanism. It's just like an upside down T. Get it? Okay. And then what it does is the cylinder will attach to this bolt right here, that's back here, and then it'll move it either up or down, which, like this, and then when it's moving it, the arms will sway back and forth, and the head will move. So you can see the head's moving, that arm's moving, and that arm is moving. Now, it took about a day to put this together. I had to figure out how I actually wanted to do it, but I got it done. And I got the upper arms on. I just got to put the lower arms on, so you can see. Now, I haven't hooked up the cylinder yet, but the cylinder is sitting on the side over here. It's a 1 inch by 1 inch, 1 inch stroke, 1 inch diameter cylinder. Now there's the 2 arms and the chest I haven't put on yet. And this was the solenoids I was using. You can see how small they are. And I'm replacing them with these. So you can see the difference in the solenoids. But this one I'm going to actually use for the head and the arms, because I really don't need a big solenoid for that. Now I got 2 1.5 by 12 inch cylinders opening up the doors, and then I got another 1.5 by 12 inch cylinder that pushes the Skelerector up. Now, I had to do some cutting and re-welding on here in order to get this to work, because the cylinder had to be lowered down. So what I did is I cut a section out and I lowered it down, and you can see, and I bought a couple angle irons, put them across, and then bolted it, and then bolted the cylinder on the bottom of that. That gave it a better angle, so when it turns on, it'll be able to push it up a lot easier. You can see here's the back of it. Okay. So that's it for now. Let me know what you think. And any questions or comments. Thanks for watching.